Some meals don't shout for attention. They quietly make you feel better after every bite. Today's dish is one of those. And once you see how easily it comes together, you'll understand why it deserves a place in your weekly routine. Hi, I'm Lucy. Welcome to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen. If you love beautiful, healthy meals that make you feel good, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new recipe. Today we're cooking my broccoli and mushroom sesame bowl. An Asian-inspired dish with rich umami flavor, glossy textures, and clean, wholesome ingredients. It's plant-forward, comforting, and incredibly easy. Perfect for busy days when you still want to eat well. Here's what you'll need for 2 servings. 1 large head of broccoli, cut into florets. 2 cups of mushrooms. Shiitake or cremini work beautifully. 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or tamari. 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and sesame seeds to finish. Simple ingredients, layered with flavor. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add the sesame oil. Let it warm gently. Sesame oil is all about aroma, not high heat. Add the mushrooms first and spread them out in a single layer. Let them cook undisturbed for about 3 minutes. This helps them release moisture and turn golden. Stir gently, then add the garlic. Cook for about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Now add the broccoli and a small splash of water. Cover the pan and let everything steam for 2 to 3 minutes, just until the broccoli is tender but still bright. In a small bowl, mix soy sauce, honey, and rice vinegar. Pour the sauce into the pan and toss everything gently. Cook for another 1 minute until the vegetables are glossy and evenly coated. Serve this bowl just like this for a light, nourishing meal. Or over rice, quinoa, or noodles if you want something more filling. Finish with sesame seeds for texture and warmth. 1 serving contains approximately 280 calories, around 10 grams of protein, healthy fats from sesame oil, and balanced carbohydrates from vegetables. It fuels you gently, without weighing you down. Broccoli is rich in antioxidants and supports your immune system. Mushrooms provide B vitamins and help with energy and focus. Garlic supports heart health and helps reduce inflammation. And sesame oil adds healthy fats while bringing deep, comforting flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen and hit the bell. New healthy recipes every Tuesday and Saturday. Thanks for cooking with me, and stay healthy.